Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about video editing Canva tutorial for beginners. Now this is really simple. All you have to do is to navigate through the official website of Canva, which is canva.com, and from here you then want to log in your account. But if you don't have one, just go ahead and make sure to create one. Basically, once inside Canva, we can now go ahead and start designing our photos right here. But you can also go ahead and edit your videos. If you want a straightforward videos, you can go ahead and do them straight to Canva right here. You don't need any third-party software like Adobe Premiere or Sony Vegas or such softwares. Basically, once inside Canva, the secret is by clicking on the video section right here. Once you've clicked on video, you can then go ahead and see a lot of templates. As an example, we have something like Instagram Reels, you have something like Facebook videos, mobile videos, and you have videos for classes right here. In our case, we are going to be creating our videos from the blank canvas right here, so you can just go ahead and select on a size. We have video which is 1920 by 1080p. This is really good for something like YouTube channels or desktop size videos. You have mobile videos, Facebook video, Instagram Reels, and more. In our case, we are going to be selecting on video right here, which is really plain and simple. Once you have selected your size, we will now be taken to our canvas. Basically, inside, you can then go ahead and start importing your videos. To do that, you want to click on the upload button. Inside uploads, we can then go ahead and see all of our uploads. If you want to upload your video, you can just go ahead and open up your file. And from here, you can then go ahead and start dragging your videos towards Canva. In my case, I'll just go ahead and upload something very basic right here. And right after uploading your videos, like what I did, you can now go ahead and start editing right away. Let's just wait for 2 of these videos to finish uploading. And from here, let's just say that I want to edit this specific video. So let's just go ahead and drag it towards our timeline. From here, we now have this video of ours. Let's just go ahead and delete this first part right here. Now, the most basic thing that you can go ahead and do in the Canva editing is by dragging the end of your clip right here. This will go ahead and crop the video. Now, if you don't want to include the last part of your video, you can just go ahead and drag the end of the clip right here to actually cut that part of the video. But the other method on how you can do this is by clicking on a specific video, and right after, you can then go ahead and see this option called split page. Now, you can also go ahead and press S on your keyboard, and this will actually split the pages right here. Right after, you can now go ahead and delete this part of the video. Now, as an example, let's add another one, which is this one. And from here, we now have 2 parts of the video right here. If you want to go ahead and add some transitions to this specific software right here, you can just go ahead and place your cursor or your mouse pointer between the 2 videos right here. And these options will show up where you can click on add page or add transitions. So you want to go ahead and click on add transitions, and this menu will show up where we have some interesting selections to choose from. You have something like dissolve transition, slide, swipe, color wipe, and more. We can go ahead and customize this even further. So let's just choose one of these transitions as an example. And from here, you can then go ahead and choose between the direction where it moves from. You have left, right, up, and down. You also have the duration of the transition right here. If you want to extend the animation, you simply want to slide this slider, and it will now go ahead and turn the transition into a 5-second animation. Let's just go ahead and play it out and see how it turns out. And so, right after adding your transitions, you can also go ahead and color grade here on Canva. Now, I know that sounds really dramatic because color grading is really complicated, but we can apply things such as filter here on Canva if we want to. To do that, you can just go ahead and click on your video, and right after you want to go ahead and right click on it, or you can then go ahead and see the pop-up menu right here above your screen. Once inside, you want to click on edit, and this menu will show up. From here, we can then go ahead and do a lot of things. If you're editing something like a person, you can go ahead and remove the background of that specific video by clicking on the BG remover, which stands for background remover. We can also go ahead and apply filters right here. As I've mentioned, you can go ahead and use this to color grade your video. If you want to turn it into something like epic, festive, sunrise, afterglow, and more, you can go ahead and do so. You can adjust the intensity of each filter by dragging on the slider. If you want to reduce the volume of your audio right here, you can just go ahead and customize this the way you want to. If you want to extract your audio from your video, you want to click on extract, and it will actually divide our video right here into two clips or into two elements. Now that we have two elements on our video, we can now go ahead and customize the audio the way we want to. But going back to the edit video section, we now have the playback right here below that. If you want to fast forward a specific video, you can go ahead and do so. Once again, let's just say that I want to fast forward this part of the video. So let's just go ahead and split our video right here. And this part is actually what we want to be fast forwarded. Go to edit, and you can just adjust this the way you want to. Let's go ahead and turn the speed to 2. From here, you have play on repeat or play automatically. And lastly, you have your transitions below that. If you want to customize this on your own, you want to click on the adjust button. From here, you have warmth, tint, brightness, contrast, highlight, shadows, fade, and more. Now, if we go ahead and play this part of the video, our video should now fast forward to this part right here. And so, right after applying those tricks, I'm sure you can now edit here on Canva. As you can go ahead and see, it's extremely simple to add elements, split clips, extract audio, and more here on the video editor for Canva. You can just go ahead and upload your own video, or you can go ahead and use their stock footage if you want to. As an example, let's go ahead and type person. And you can go ahead and see a lot of videos right here that you can use. Let's go ahead and delete the second part of our video. And from here, I actually want to use this stock footage. Let's go ahead and add some interesting transitions. And from there, we can then go ahead and use the background remover feature, since this is a person that we are editing right here. Right after clicking on it, it will then go ahead and remove the background of this specific video. So if I go ahead and hit on the play button, the background will be removed for this specific video file right here. Right after editing your videos on Canva, adding some transitions, music, background music, sound effects, and more, you can just go ahead and click on share, click on download, and from here you want to make sure that you select the MP4 format. From there, you can adjust the quality the way you want to. Download all 3 pages, which is the 3 video formats right here, and you want to click on download. From there, it will now go ahead and start exporting our video, and right after, we can now download our final product right here. And so hopefully with this simple tutorial, you will be able to manage to edit your video here on Canva. If this video has been helpful for you, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.